Hi guys, today I will show you the easiest and safest way how to open, shuck an oyster. So when you buy oysters, make sure they're closed and keep them chilled in the fridge with a flat side on top, so you avoid that they will leak any liquid. So all you need is an oyster knife, a cloth and a delicious oyster. So this is the hollow side of the oyster, the flat side on top, the end of the oyster and the hinge. So I have my oyster on the cloth and I fold the cloth around it so that the hinge of the oyster is on this side. Now I tip in my oyster knife and I give it a bit of pressure and I twist my knife. So now the oyster is open, I move my knife horizontally and I scrape my knife just below the top shell. Ta-da! The oyster. But the oyster is still attached to the shell. So I slip my knife just under the oyster and I scrape it loose from the shell. And now you just give it a quick check on chips, little chips, which might have entered the shell. Well, this is how you open or shuck an oyster. Simply serve it on a bit of salt, rock salt, ice or seaweed. Well, if you want to see more delicious seafood recipes, tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. Well, thank you for watching and hope to see you soon. Bye bye!